Dream bedroom ideas for girls. Give your little diva a place to strut her stuff by recreating this adorable costume play zone designed by Aaron of House of Turquoise. With an elegant costume closet and curtained off stage, complete with seats for an adoring audience, this simple DIY idea is a little girl's dream come true. What better way to encourage creativity than with a beautiful purpose-built art center? Shimmering gold polka dot decals add the perfect touch of sparkle to this sweet and girlish space spotted on 11 Magnolia Lane. Have a glam girl on your hands? Give her a space that shines with shimmering metallic accents. Swaths of gauzy white fabric draped from the ceiling give this bold hot pink and gray girl's room from the frosted petticoat a palatial feel, making it the perfect space for a little princess. Are you looking for a way to boost your bedroom's wow factor? Look up. Wainscoting lends a touch of farmhouse charm to any space, but installing it can be tricky and expensive. Want to create a traditional look for less? This bright and beautiful girl's room, designed by Kelly Stivers of Bungalow Blue Interiors, uses inexpensive wood trim painted and mounted directly to the walls to create a traditional board and batten look without the traditional cost. Want to create a space your little girl will love? Start with the thing they are most passionate about. Nothing makes a room pop like a dramatic statement piece in a bold and unexpected hue. Just ask Shauna, the design maven behind the inspired blog, Perfectly Imperfect, who turned a vintage piece from her childhood bedroom into this show-stopping vanity for her little girl. A partial paint job is a great way to add a touch of color and interest to a clean, contemporary space. It can even make a small room look bigger. Are you craving a little color? Try painting the inside of your bookshelves. She puts the sparkle in your life. Why not add a little sparkle to hers with a shimmering gold glitter wall? This lovely little loft bed spotted on Brit & Co. offers the perfect hideaway for your sweet girl. Just install a tension rod and some adorable curtains, add some comfy cushions and some twinkling fairy lights, and you've got one happy little lady. Best of all, IKEA's Kura loft bed is a steal at just $199. Sweet, pretty, and playful, this beautiful double rattan swing, spotted on Nesting with Grace, adds a touch of play-inspired whimsy that any little girl would love. And with room for two, it's the perfect place to share a story or a cuddle. Want to encourage your daughter to read? Why not create an inviting space where she can curl up and get lost in her favorite book? This enchanting mermaid-themed girls' room, created by Nagua Safe Interior Design, boasts an underwater world of sun-kissed aqua blues that get lighter as you emerge from the deep. Add drama to your daughter's space with a beautiful bed canopy, like this swoon-worthy, chandelier canopy put together by Allie of Proverbs chapter 31 Girl. Want to create a truly dreamy space for the little lady in your life? Go Boho! Clean, bright and beautiful, this vibrant hot pink and orange girl's room by Andrika King Design has a fun, fresh feel. Bold colors enjoy a certain infallible trendiness, never really going out of style, and with a clean white canvas as a backdrop, it's easy to update the space as your little girl grows. What girl wouldn't love the idea of a secret attic hideout where she can get up and away from it all? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.